osteoporosis. So the osteoporosis is the condition in which bone lose their minerals density and becoming increasingly soft and susceptible to injury. So kung osteoporosis, kadaghanan na inis ka ng mga idara na bitaw na walay proper exercise na matanton pa sila. So yung pagdiriya, you can lower your risk of osteoporosis by taking preventative step early in life. So meaning kung samtang matanton pa, kinahanglan nga ato ng atimanon ba atong lawas pa mag-exercise ng proper diet para pag-abot sa taas-taas ng edad no dili na makasinapi o mga sinapi gyapon og osteoporosis pero dili ka tumulong na rest ka sila. So get adequate amount of calcium. So ang buhaton nato is get the adequate amount of calcium, exercise regularly, monitor caffeine intake no kanang kape na nasa kape caffeine intake, drink alcohol no moderation. So kasi pala hubog niya bawas-bawasin ninyo. Then don't smoke and plenty of vitamins D no so dili sa sigarilyo. So flexibility, so the flexibility is an ability to move a joint through full range of motion. It is important to general health and physical fitness. So ang flexibility, no, ingon diri that it is the ability to move the joint through the full range of motion. So meaning imong inaton, no, kanang murag imong ang lain translation na is stretching, no, i-stretch nimong imong lawas, no. Ingon pa, it is important to generally health and physical fitness. So grabe ni ka-importante nga everyday kinahanglan nga muhunata. No? Kaya ingon pa diri importante ni general health and physical fitness. So flexibility is reduced when muscle becomes short and tightened with disuse causing the increase in injury and strain. So ang ma-reduce ko siya kung ang atong muscle is dili nato i-strengthen. So the benefits of flexibility exercises. So ang benefits nila, the first is decrease the chance of injury and activity of our daily living and sport. So meaning kung atong i-exercise, atong i-strengthen ang atong lawas, no, maka-decrease kini decrease ang chance of injury, no, kubili ka nang dili ka madaot pa, no, in activities for our daily life sa matag adlaw nato na ginabuhat. Then kaning diri change body composition, no, unsa man pasabot, no, kung sige tag exercise, sige tag flexible na or workout atong i-strengthen atong lawas may exercise kada adlaw, no, change the body composition. So meaning kung dapat ka maliwang ka, no,
barbada na naglawas siya.
Kuan ka may mga 60. No? So ang ikatulo is decrease the chances of osteoporosis. So mabawas-bawasan, no, ang sakit nga osteoporosis kay mong siyang sakit is ang tigulang na dunay normal nga basta nagataas ng edad ng tao, meaning mabati na nila ang mga sakit-sakit sa buhok, lalo sakit na sa buhok. No, so ang ikaapat is improve the balance, no, especially in the elderly, no, reduce the risk of falls. So kanang sa botani kanang medyo ang imong lawas dili mo kasi natin og kanang mga sakit-sakit, no. So increase the chance of coping with intense physical challenges. So meaning kanang kung naay mga hard kanang exercise kung sakto dili kayo manakit ang lawas nimo. So can build a sense of accomplishment and pride, no. So guidelines for stretching. So frequency, follow the FITT, no? So principle in relationship to flexibility. First is F, intensity. So ang time nimo mag-stretching ka is type 2 to 3 days per week. No? So kadawa or tulo ka adlaw sa isa ka semana ka mag-stretching. Then ang intensity niya stretching the point of mind. Stretching the point of mind, uncomfortableness, to the point where you feel tension but no pain. So meaning intensity niya, imo siyang hinay-hinayan until nga makuha nimo ang kapaspas niya nga dili magsakit ang imong lawas. Then ang time niya is 15 to 30 minutes per day ra. Hold stretch to 20 to 60 seconds. Then ang type niya is dynamic stretching. Prepare the body for exercise, that is dynamic teaching. Then the static stretch done after warm up. Then the PNF or the proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation. So dynamic stretching should be performed at the start of the workout. Dynamic stretching prepare the body for exercise. So muna ang dynamic stretching. Now the static stretching should be performed within 10 minutes after every workout. Static stretching is done after the body has an opportunity to be properly warmed up. You should not perform static stretching when your muscle are cold. So kanang dili ka pwede mo direct sa static kung ang imong lawas is wala pa nimo mag-agi sa dynamic, which is the kanang warm up. Then move into the stretch slowly, holding it for 20 to 60 seconds, and then slowly return to the starting point. So perform 2 to 6 repetitions for each exercise. So ang exercise is buhaton 2 to 6 repetition for each exercise. Tapos strength both sides of the body and opposing muscles group. Tapos use variety of stretching modes such as dynamic, static, and PNF stretching. Do not bounce or ballistic stretch and increase the range of motion. It could be leads to injury. So dili ko no kanang gitawag na ballistic so atong mga sakta na likod sa ballistic no stretching. Tapos breath normally as you stretch. So kinahanglan ko kang mo inhale, exhale no samtang nag-exercise ka no samtang nag-stretching ka. Kaya ingon diri breathe normally as you stretch. With every inhale you should length, and with every exhale you should stretch a little deeper. So the component of the human body involves overall flexibility. So ang component ko sa body that involves overall flexibility, the first is the muscle. No? Kaning kung usay mo na ako, no? Muscle, body tissues that construct when stimulate causing movement, strain, injury to the muscle. So, ang muscle nato is 640 in the human body. No? Ang muscle. The second is the ligaments. Ligaments attach bones to bones. No? Mao na ang ligaments. So, sprain or injury to ligaments. The third is the tendons. No? The tendons attach to the muscle bones. So kanang mga nag-attach to the muscle bones, meaning mo na gitawag ng tendons. No? Or kanang tendonitis or inflammation of a tendon. So the fifth is the joint. No? Ang joint is 100 in the human body. They connect our bones with the muscle. So muna ang joint. So kung may utak joint, kabalo na ng tanong. Kanang sa kanang nag-connect sa atong mga bones, di ba? Then ang last is the bones. No? Kanang atong bukog. No? Ang bukog nato is 206 in the human body. No? So type of stretching. So type of stretching. The first is static. No, static. Kaning static, stretching a muscle group of muscle, stretching a muscle or group of a muscle to its farthest point and then holding the position, you are stationary. The second is the active. No, active, assume a position and then hold it there with an assistant other than using the strength of your agonist muscle. Example, holding your legs, no, up. Kanang murag imong hawiran imong leg ba then i-up nimo, no, without your hands man. Holding your leg, no, sama mo no, holding your leg up in the air without your hand, no. The third is the PNF, no? Proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation. It is the combination of isometric and a passive stretching. Then the fourth is a passive. Now the passive is assume a position and hold it with some other part of your body or within the assistance of the partner or some apparatus. You are relaxing and no contribution to the range of motion. An external force applied by something or someone else. Then the fifth is the isometric. So the isometric is a type of a static stretching, meaning it does not use motion. So kaning isometric, it does not use motion, which involve the resistance of the muscle group through isometric construction, no, of the stretching muscle. And the sixth is the dynamic. So kaning dynamic, moving parts of your body and gradually reach the speed, control body movement that take you in the limit of your range, no, of your motion. So do not confuse dynamic stretching with ballistic, no, strength. So kaning last is the ballistic, no, or gitawag nila nga jerky, meaning bouncing movement that force the body beyond the range of motion. No, you do not want to use this type of you do not want to use this type of stretching kay kaning person mani. So kani siya ang kaning gitawag nila nga type of stretching. So mura na bikibalik ka nang nag-jogging bitaw ka, nga dili ka pwede mo dagan largo, di ba? Ang imong buhaton primero is kinahanglan na i-warm up yung imong lawas, no? Dati pag ma-warm up na imong lawas, so musugod na kaglakaw, dili ka mo largo pagdagan, di ba? Mao nga na mag-jogging, no? Maglakaw-lakaw sa daan until nga mutuda-tuda ang imong dagan until mabot na kadiri sa kanang gitawag nila nga ballistic nga imo na i-full force na nimo ang kanang dagan na dugag tuda. Kay kung largohon nimo delikado man, no? Kanang nimo duwag basketball nga kanang di mahayra nga largo dagan, no? Delikado na siya.
Kabikugan.
Kay kinahanglan na siya nga kinahanglan man kaasaan na mag-warm up nimo imong lawas before ka mo kadto sa full range na nimong pag-exercise. So, the body composition. So the body composition refers to the chemical makeup of the body. It can be divided into two groups. No, kaning body composition is divided into two groups. Kaning gitawag nila nga lean body mass and the fat mass. So kaning lean body mass is represent the weight of the muscle, bones, internal organ, and connective tissue. So kanang naa sa tong taglaw pa kanang mga internal organ niya nato. So muscle, the bones, the internal organ, and the connective tissues. Kanang mga tissues sa atong lawas. Samantalang kaning gitawag nila nga fat mass is the amount of the fat tissue stored in our body. So morning kani siguro ning tambok, no? Fat mass tissue in our body. It is essential to maintain rest, serious health rest. So okay ra kuno nga natay fat sa atong lawas pero kung masuprahan, no? Ingon si Dria but an excess level possess of a serious health risk, no? Kung kanang sobra na kadako sa tao. So high level of body fat are associated with the high blood pressure. So it is normal kuno mo nang ang uban ang ilang paglantaw pagdako ang tao, ang ilang mo na high blood na, di ba? No? Ingon Dria ang high level of body fat are associated with the high blood pressure, increasing the levels of blood and cholesterol, heart diseases, stroke, diabetes, and certain cancer. So mao din ang kadaghanan sa mga dako, no? Kanang maluzaw tungod kay kung sobra ng fats ang lawas sa tao is mahimo siyang masakiton, no? Health risk siya. So ingon pa dire in contrast, very low body fat can cause a development such as medical condition, heart damage. No, so kung sobra pud ka kaniwang, no? Saban, ingon diri pag ang tao very low body fat or gamay lang fat niya sa iyang lawas, no, cause the development of such medical condition as heart damage, no, gastrointestinal problem, then shrinkage of internal organ, immune system abnormalities, disorder of the reproductive system, lost muscle tissues, damage of the nervous system, abnormal growth, and even death. No? So the body fat is expressed as a percentage of a total weight sa tao. Di ba? So kung atong lang tao, kung atong sabton, so pag sobra na ang fat sa lawas sa tao, nagihapoy taglaong pa o anija kanang balatian nga masinatian. Pero pag kulang po, no? Dagat po yung balatian. Kanin po yung ba kay leads to death man kung kuya nga lang fat. No, yung kadiri ang growth and even death. Ikaw na kayo, kaon mo tula yung kayo pagpaniwang-liwa. So, related vocabulary. So, overweight. So, ang overweight is a body weight greater than allowed by norm table, usually based on the age and the height, no, or height and weight. So, kaning overweight is, murag, depende ka ako nila. Ingon pa diri based on the age, no. Kay ang kada edad sa bata sa tao is na siya ibali kuan go jud niya in-fix ka jud niya nga timbang nga kinahanglan ana siya, di ba? Kung wala pa siya ana, ang tawag sa iya is sometimes no kadito ko nila malnourished kay dili man ko niwang nang malnourished. Kung makita ko tawag mo gyapon nila malnourished, di ba? No, so mga atong makuan ni o kani gitawag nila nga underweight. So underweight is the body weight less than allowed to the norm table. So pag sobrang imong timbang according sa imong edad, ang tawag sa imo is overweight. Pero pag kulang ang imong timbang according sa imong edad, ang tawag sa imo is underweight. No? So cellulite. Cellulite, ano eh? Cellulite is the lumpy fat deposit. Is a lumpy fat deposit actually in large fat cell resulting from accumulation of the body fat. So essential fat, no? The minimal amount of the body fat needed for normal physiological function about 3%, no? 3% of the total fat in men and 10.12% sa women. 20% sa babae, no? 3% sa lalaki sa babae lang ako. No, sport reducing. So, a man that claim that exercising a specific body part will result to significant fat reduction in the area. So, kaning exercise ko no, kaning sport reducing, no, makabawas-bawas ng fat. No, purpose and function of fat, no. Ang purpose ug ang function ng fat. So, ang pinaka-primero is isolate, no? Insulate the conserved heat, no? So, ang ikaduha is metabolic fuel for the production of the energy. So, padding to cushion and protect internal organs. So, the fourth is the normal psychological function. So, grabe sa madali kagamit ng fat, no? Purpose and function ng fat sa lawas sa tao. So, health risk pertaining the body fat. So, obesity. So, mali obesity. Over na, nabawa ko sa overweight, no? Obesity, obese or from the word obese. So, obesity is an excessive accumulation of fat weight. The recently complete National Children and Youth Fitness Studies report that the young people are more obese than ever before. So, mani? Ha? Magkawin ko pa lang sila. Kuhan mani, kuhan sa mga research sa National Children and Youth Fitness. No, ang ilang study ko no, reports that young people, no, mga batanon, kamo ng mga batanon, adult naman ni. No? Kamo ng mga batanon are more obese than ever before. No, magsasako ng katong sa una. Kaya naman, no, so siguro mga so, obesity is associated with many risk factor or gitawagin nga CHD, the coronary heart diseases. No, coronary heart diseases. So, ang sobra kadako, high blood pressure, increased level of blood fat, and cholesterol, stroke, and diabetes. So, grabe ang risk din, no? Pag kanang sobra na kadako ang tao or sobra ang fat sa iyang lawas. Oh, ingon pa diri, a revise of this risk factor can be achieved by reducing an individual's total fat, observing good nutrition principle, creating to the lower personal conception of the saturate fat, sweet, and increased calories and important lifestyle change that individual must make. So, kinanglan, no, samtang mata, so kinanglan na sakto-sakto ang mata ng lawa. Ayaw ko magpa, hindi mo sakto kay delikado ng pagkakot. So, recommended percent of the body fat. So, ang recommended nga percent ra, no, sa body fat, it is recommended that the girl's body, no, mga babae, no, ang fat fall between 15 to 22% ra. And the boy's body fat fall between the 10 to 20%. Boys and girls increase their risk of disease if their body fat greater to 30, no? Kung sa babae ko, no, ang inyong weight is moabot na og 30, so delikado na, no? Ang weight niya, ang fat niya, no? Ang percentage sa fat ninyo, no, ingon siya dira, the boys and girls increase the risk of disease if their body fat is greater than 30%, no? 30% kuno sa girls, sa female, and 25% sa male. Ang gamay ng salayakin. So people who are overweight and go to the crash diet which lose nearly one half the weight in the muscle in the water. So overweight, no, crash diet loss, no, kanang on a crash diet. Then if a person eat just 10 calories above what we need per day, they will gain 1 pound of fat per year. So kung ang imong kanon ko ng 10 calories per day sa sulod sa isa ka tuig, no, makakuha ka og 1 pound, no, of fat per year. Then 1 pound of fat is equivalent to 3,500 calories, no, ang makuha nimo sa isa ka pound. So kanang per day ay kung count as 10 calories, no, above they need per day, they will gain 1 pound of fat. So ang 10 calories ilan ka pound, no? So 4 method of measuring body composition. So mao na ni pagtimbang ng method of measuring the body composition. The first method is skin fold. So unsa man skin fold? Calipers measure the thickness of the skin folder or pinched as a specific landmark of the body. The number are used to calculate to determine the estimate of the percentage of the body fat. So, ang upat ka method ko, no, para ma-measure ang body composition. The first is the skin fold. Now, the second is bioelectrical impedance machines. So, measure the percentage of the body fat by running low level of electricity current to the body. So, murag kuha na siya kanang high-tech na siya. No? The more resistance encountered, the more fat there is. The method of measuring body fat is less time consuming, safe and expensive, but it is also not accurate as the other method. And the ikapat is the hydrostatic weighting. So kalimhas weight in water relative to the body volume, most accurate from the testing. So, and the last is the body mass index. So, a chart used to indicate the appropriateness of a student weight relative to their height, no? Or kanang kita ko nilang BMI recommended. So, ang normal is 18 to 25. No, only 18 ang normal diri sa body mass index. Ang normal is 18 to 25, no? Ano kita ko bilang normal, no? Ang overweight is nag-range siya between 26 to 30, no? Mao na ang overweight. So pag mulapas na o kita na sa 31 na pataas, no, it means obese, no? Obese na ang tao. So when using BMI as an indicator for the obesity, it is important to remember that the muscle mass is not considered in the formula. So the weight loss. So last topic, the weight loss. So the only way to lose weight is to burn more calories than you consume. So ang pinaka the best to know way to lose weight is to burn more calories than you consume. So you consume. So opportunity and uniform individuals often go about losing weight the wrong way. The wrong way when you intentionally themselves is an effort to lose weight. So weight control. So kaning weight control is the constant weight control by the maintenance is more desirable for the adequate health than a sporadic dieting period in which considerable weight sweeping loss but later regained. It is important to be able to assess your own activities weight patterns to allow you to place this balance. So ibali yung kaning pag weight loss or weight control, so narapod na sa tao kung saan niya, no? Kita loss is kinahanglan nato i-burn, no, ang calories nga nasa atong lawas. So mo mag-exercise ta, no, strengthen ta. So that's all. Thank you.